On behalf of the Department of Atomic Energy, it is my proud privilege to welcome you all in this very important function of today of unveiling the foundation stone of the new campus of Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Hyderabad. You may all remember that in 1954, January, in the hands of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the foundation stone of Tata Institute of Fundamental Research at Mumbai was opened. And in 1962, again, Pandit Nehru opened the new building of the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research at Mumbai. TIFR is known to be the cradle of atomic energy activities in this country. TIFR is an institute which has made a name, a place for our country in the world of science, in various disciplines like mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, and computer science. The question that many of you will ask that, why is this new campus? The answer to that is the TIFR Mumbai campus has come to a state of saturation and it cannot grow any further. And it is at this point when the government is taking a major step in advancing higher education and making available opportunities for research for our young generation. In that context, opening up of this new campus at Hyderabad at a sprawling area of about 209 acres is a very major step. And TIFR has chosen a path in which it will try to converge various traditional disciplines into some common themes. They have named it as research in light, life, and matter, without sacrificing the rigor that is involved in each of these disciplines. Emphasis on higher education has been the keystone of TIFR's advancement all these years, and keeping that in mind, TIFR is planning to have a fairly large number of student population in this new campus. What is being thought about, that is about 1,000 to 1,200 students will be working for the PhD program, and nearly about 400 postdoctoral associates will also be working in a campus where about 250 faculty people will be present. So on this occasion, when we are going to embark upon a major step in the higher education and research in the advanced areas of the country, it is again my privilege to call upon all of you for this important function. Thank you very much.